Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to make a playlist on SoundCloud but an iPhone. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step or method, and just follow me, and if you have any queries or any problem within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now, without any further delay, let's get into the topic. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your SoundCloud app on your iPhone, and then what you need to do is just go to library and then go to playlist, and over here you'll be having an option which says create playlist on your top. Just go with it, and then just place a title for your playlist. So let me just go with HHEEE. So if you want to make this playlist public, you can go with this option over here. If you don't want, just go with off. So now just save it, and then your playlist will be created. And to add songs, you can just go from here as well. You can just press like this, and it will be added like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.